Welcome to my channel, All for Health with Jane. The Senzo Meyiwa Trial is still on. We're looking at Advocate Nxumalo. Advocate Nxumalo is the defense for accused number 3 by the name Thobisi Ncube. Advocate Nxumalo is given an opportunity to cross-examine Gideon Gous, who is the cell phone analyst at court, and he says he is unable to continue with his cross-examination because he is still waiting for some information from Advocate Baloyi. Family, only to find that Advocate Baloyi gave all of them, the defense, the information they need on a disc, and it happened last year, not even this year. He gave them that information last year. So according to Advocate Nxumalo, he says he could not open the disc. And this week, when he was supposed to prepare now for this cross-examination, that's when he realizes that, by the way, I could not open the disc. Then he tells Advocate Baloyi. Advocate Baloyi said, bring a memory stick, I will load the information on your memory stick. That happened. After it happened, maybe a few days ago, then Advocate Nxumalo says, so much information. No. I can't locate the 2 numbers that I'm looking for. So because of that, this information is irrelevant to me. Family, to be honest, who do we blame here? Should we blame Baloyi for not making the information available? Should we blame Advocate Nxumalo for not preparing, going through the stuff that was given to him on time? Do we blame Judge Ratha when he says, Nxumalo, no? Who was supposed to come and look for that information for you? And if it's irrelevant information, then continue with your cross-examination. Or tell the court that it's irrelevant. The reason why I'm not going to cross-examine is because it doesn't affect me. Family, let's listen to Advocate Nxumalo, and then we'll comment further after the clip.
Thanks, Mr. Nxumalo.
My Lord, firstly, I wish to put it on record that I was not in a position to finalize my consultation due to the information that is insufficient. The 205 records. I was unable to finalize my consultation because I did not have sufficient information.
Which information is that?
The records in terms of Section 205. In respect of the 2 numbers, the number that is allegedly belonging to accused number 2 and 5.
So you want the records of which date? The 205, Section 205 applications?
Yes, I need the 205 applications as well as the records for the 2 numbers. The 071-595-1239. It is said it belonged to Fiso Wutlentuli, accused number 5. And the number 079-379-0137. It is said it belonged to September Sibiya, accused number 1. I'm not in a position, my Lord, to commence my cross-examination because even this witness cannot tell us as to when such a communication occurred.
Mr. Baloyi.
As a court, please, my Lord, we did finish all the Section 205s that we had to the defense on a disc, and we've indicated, my Lord, that the expert from Vodacom will be coming to testify. If Mr. Nxumalo doesn't have any questions to this witness, he can put whatever questions to the expert who will be testify on the Section 205.
No, let's take it slow.
Yes.
You say you finished, the whole defense.
Yes.
You finished them with the Section 205
Yes.
appendages.
Yes.
All of them.
Well, yes, all of them, my lord. We did finish them with the section 205s, and we on a disk. They then subsequently indicated that they cannot decipher or the gadgets that they were using cannot decipher the disk, and we did download the information on a memory stick.
And then you gave it to them?
Yes, and gave it to them. But we were only informed yesterday, my lord, by advocating Nxumalo that his device cannot read the disk. And we said he should provide us with a memory stick. That's where the discussion ended up, my lord.
So it's not correct when Mr. Nxumalo says he doesn't have that information. He has it, it's just that his disk cannot download it.
Yes, that's what he told us yesterday.
Yesterday. Where did you finish, Mr. Nxumalo, with the disk? I mean, the memory stick?
Yeah, we said, my lord, if he provides us with a memory stick, we will be able to download
Has
the
he done
information.
so? Has he provided?
When we adjourned yesterday, my lord, that had not happened as yet.
But
My colleague tells me that he did give it to that he did give it to Mr. Nxumalo.
Yesterday?
Yes.
It is true, my lord, that there was information that I was provided yesterday, but it is not for the numbers. It is not for the requested numbers. So that information is not relevant for purposes of my cross-examination to this witness.
So you don't, where's your memory stick?
I've got the memory stick, my lord. It was.
Have
I
you
was
downloaded the information from that stick?
Yes, I was provided with information yesterday, but that information is
Wait,
not.
wait. You were provided with that information yesterday.
I was provided with some information, the records, the 205 records yesterday.
So
but
what's the problem now?
that information is not relevant to the numbers.
Well, this is what they gave you. Mr. Baloyi, he says you gave him irrelevant information.
My lord, there's over 4,000 of data. If perhaps my friend wants to zoom in on perhaps specific information, maybe we should then maybe get together with our expert and see if we cannot separate that information that he requires from the rest of the data that we have.
So you say the book, it's about 4,000
It's over 4,000 pages.
numbers.
Yes.
And then you, according to you, you are going to lead your evidence in respect of how many thousands or how
Yes.
many thousands.
Yes.
Let's start there.
Well, the expert is only going to
Five numbers.
Yeah, only going to select certain information that is relevant for the court purpose.
But it relates to 5 numbers.
Yes,
Must be. Otherwise, I'm in a different court.
yes.
They say it's 5 numbers. 5 numbers. Which is relevant in that 4,000. And you know the 5 numbers because we've been listening to the evidence. Now, what is your problem, sir?
I did not even get.
Okay.
I did not even get to see the 2 numbers that I'm interested in.
Now, they're saying, it's not me saying it, it's Mr. Baloyi.
Malik, maybe we should take an adjournment and let's try and
You want us to adjourn until tomorrow then?
try and find each other.
Mr. Ramasipidi, were you provided with the relevant Section 205 numbers?
If it may please the court, my
Hello?
lord. If it may please the court, my lord, we were provided with a CD-ROM
Yes.
last year, and
Last year?
yes, even then I indicated to my learned colleague that I did receive same.
Last year? Mr. Baloyi, last year, is it last year?
Yes, last year.
I thought you were talking about this month.
No, we did.
When
provide-
last year?
I think that was towards the end of the year. I think around October, if I'm not
October,
mistaken.
last year.
Yes, yeah.
And Mr. Nxumalo knows that he doesn't have all the information since October last year. He just sits. Is that the position, sir? They say you got this disc last year, October.
I couldn't open it.
Yeah, but then if you can't open it in October, then you go to Baloyi and say, hey, I can't open this disc. Now it's October, November, December, January, February, March, April.
That information was related by my colleague.
It was what?
It was related by my colleague, Mr. Ramsepele, to the state that we can't open the disc. It was.
I'm shocked, you know. Maybe I set high standards for myself. October, you've got the information. You are preparing for a major case like this. And since October, you don't know the information in the disc. Even today, you don't know the information in the disc.
I know
Is that not so?
I know the information
So
on the
why do you
disc.
want that?
It's not relevant.
If it's not relevant, then you don't ask any questions which are irrelevant according to your defense. You say it's not relevant. He says it's relevant in terms of the fact that at least five numbers, you say, which are encapsulated in the downloading analysis, of Mr. House. Then you say it's irrelevant. Fine. So what is the problem?
Maybe I can propose, my lord, that we adjourn until 2, since the state is going to assist us to get the correct information.
What's your time, sir? Hey. Yeah, no. Quarter past?
16 minutes past 12.
Do you want us to adjourn until tomorrow? I'll do it
Not
because
until
this is
tomorrow.
how
No.
we act.
No, for the sake of finality, I'm requesting until 2 o'clock this afternoon, not tomorrow.
Okay, 2 o'clock. Family, if there's one thing I cannot do is to pretend. It's not easy for me, to pretend. I'm going to call a spade a spade. People like Advocate Nxumalo, they've been relaxed for a long time. The focus was more on accused number 1 and accused number 2 for more than 6 months. And we even forgot about the other accused. They were just coming to court. There are advocates as well. The only person that was at least trying to help the other 2 lawyers or advocates, it's Advocate Mshololo. But when it comes to Advocate Mnisi and Advocate Nxumalo, they were relaxed because whatever that was said in the past 6 months or more, it was not affecting the 2 since they were not on a trial within a trial. So that was the time they were supposed to prepare themselves thoroughly so that when this time comes, they are ready. For him to tell the court today that I couldn't open the disc, for him to say it's more than 100 or whatever pages, so I can't go through everything in this short space of time. Now for now, I think it's unfair because he had more than 6 months to go through that stuff. As Advocate Baloyi is indicating, they were given this last year, sometimes September, October. So they had enough time because their accused were not directly, or their clients were not directly affected, family. But anyway, what can we say? This is South Africa. Family, I don't know, in the comment section, let's talk. Tell me, what do you think about this? Please don't fight me. I'm just giving my opinion as well. You have the right to do the same. Give your own opinion. Do not fight me. I beg you. Don't fight me. Thank you, family, for watching to the end. And please like this video before you leave. Subscribe for my channel if you haven't done so yet. I love you, family. Thank you. Bye.